Up to now, we are observing jQuery predefined animated functions. In order to doing custom animation functions, we have three functions, jQuery three functions for doing custom animation functions. These are the three custom animation functions, that is animate with 4 parameters. These are the create a custom animation, that is params, that is the property of the element to animate, and then duration, the number of milliseconds the animation should take, and then third one is easing, the type of easing function to use. These are the two properties, that is linear and a swing. We can passing this as a string as an parameter, and then fourth one is callback, the function to call when the animation is completed. Already we know this one, animate. And then second one is animate with 2 parameters, that is the params, the properties to animate, and then options, set of options for the animation to take. We can passing an options to this here. And then third one is stop all currently running animations on all the specified elements. For this one I am using previously HTML document. This is the previous one. We have 3 buttons with we can change this animation, that is here we can is mention the ID names of this buttons. Is first one is I mentioned that ID name is right here, then the value is move right, and then second one is font, change text size, and then third one is toggle as usual. Here I am going to use this one as toggle. For this let's save it and see in design view. Here it is move right, change text, and I'm not here source. I'm going to here is move left. Let's save it, design view, move left, move right, change text size, move left. For this one I am going to use first one. I would like to select the all p tags with an ID name is right. I also change this one to left, save it, and the first ID name select is right, and then click, and then I would like to give animation on that div tag. So here I mention animate, here I am passing that params, that means here I am passing a CSS, that is I would like to increase the width will be 700 pixels. Like that we are right. Let's save and seeing okay. Like that we are also right another 2 animate and the 2 buttons animated. I have done for this one. Copy this one, Ctrl C, paste it, Ctrl V, and change it. Here it is to, that is font, and then here I would like to font size will be 25 points. Let's save it, and another one is Control V, and then third one is I am mentioning is the left, and then animate, and then move. Here I am mentioning that move that window to left side, left, or wait a minute, left of 500 pixels, left side to 500, and then here I am also mentioning that time taken 1000 milliseconds, and also I am mentioning, I told that I am mentioning this easy, that is the linear and swing. We can use one property here, that is swing. Let's save it, see in web browser, that is move right, that will be increase that it will move to right, that means the font size will be, the width of the div tag will be increased to 700 pixels. I have some syntactical errors, I have to change that. Open our source page. Here is our code. What is the mistake? Okay, here my style script I have mentioned position property to that div tag. I mentioned that position property is relative. In previously I do not mention that position of the div tag. Here now I present it. Okay, let's save it and then open our browser, press F5, see how it looks like. Press move left, change text size, and then move right, it will be animated. Also we can mention all these three into one animate button. For that one here I would like to create another button, that is I mentioned the input of id is equal to all, and then of type is equal to button, and then value is all animations, and then close it. Let's save it and also write the corresponding, copy this one, paste it, and then mention here is that id name is all, that animate, and here I also use this width to here, comma, and then also the font size also here, copy this one and paste it here. And here I'm going to pass this one as linear. Let's save it, press F5, move right, change text, move left. These are the animations, and press F5, all animations that will be executed simultaneously. That means the div tag move right, that means it will be moved to right, and then change right, that font size will be changed, and then move to left, it will be moved to left side, and then we can press all animations. All these three animations can work at a time. These are the custom animations. By using this one we can mention our web document into user requirements, that means our own custom animations. Thank you guys, thank you for watching.